Big E Food Corporation is more popularly known for its brand Lemon Square Cakes and Cupcakes, is a privately owned family corporation founded by the husband and wife partnership of Errol and Nina Vergel de Dios.
We raise poultry chicken. We have a lot of crack eggs. That's how we started, yung crack eggs. Then yung asawa ko, mahilig mag-bake. Sabi ko sa kanya, mag-business na lang kami mag-bakery. So that started it.
Newlyweds Errol and Dulce began their enterprise by offering a small selection of homemade-style baked goods to nearby communities. Word of mouth soon became the primary driving force for Nina's Cakes as demand went through the roof, and Lemon Square, the brand, was born. The modernization of its operations began in 1995 when the company acquired a state-of-the-art baking system that enhanced its production efficiency. Lemon Square gives jobs to thousands of employees.
To give jobs.
Which is also the most challenging aspect of management.
It's not easy to manage people eh. That's the number one challenge yung pagmamanage ng tao. Marami din kaming naging crisis sa buhay sa pagbi-business eh. Nasunugan kami, nalubog kami, nagkaroon kami problema sa labor. Nakulong kami for 60 days dito sa bahay. Kasi dami din umaasa sa amin eh. Right now, we have around 3,000 people. So, siyempre, may mga pamilya din sila. So, that inspires me also to give jobs nga sa mga tao.
Mr. Vergel de Dios believes that passion is the driver towards success.
The passion kasi, you have to have passion, In what you're doing, you have to love it actually. Kailangan gusto mong ginagawa mo.
At his age, he laments that we should not make life so easy for our children. They should be made to experience difficulties and challenging situations that will contribute to their emotional maturity.
Hindi mga bataan ngayon kasi they're not so sa stress eh. Parang madali na kasi nilang makuha yung gusto nila eh, not like before. Yung panahon namin, you have to work for it talaga eh. Pero ngayon, yung mga bata ngayon, talagang masyado silang sensitive na. Pa sila? Madali sila ma-frustrate. Hopefully, magbago din sila.
For their outstanding achievements in establishing a company built on a strong brand of quality baked products, the Bulacan Chamber of Commerce and Industry honors Big E Food Corporation through its founders, Errol and Nina Vergel de Dios, as 2025's most outstanding Bulacan business for food manufacturing.